There is a kind of strength that looks admirable from the outside. You are responsible, dependable, reliable, the one people call when something goes wrong. You hold things together. At work, at home, in your family, in your friendships. You solve problems. You carry burdens. You don't fall apart. But here is the question no one asks. Who is strong for you? Strong people are often overlooked emotionally. Because you function well, people assume you are fine. Because you carry responsibility, people assume you can carry more. And slowly, strength becomes isolation. You don't complain. You don't dramatize. You don't collapse publicly. But inside, you feel stretched. This is what I call silent pressure. It's when everyone depends on you, but you have no space to depend on anyone. And over time, even strong people become tired. Not weak. Tired. There is a difference. Tiredness is not failure. It is a signal. It means you have been carrying weight without rest. The mistake strong people make is believing, if I slow down, everything will fall apart. But often, what needs to change is not your strength, it is your boundaries. Being strong does not mean being endlessly available. Being dependable does not mean being emotionally inaccessible. And responsibility does not require self-neglect. Let's make this practical. Ask yourself, where am I overextending? Emotionally? Financially? Physically? Mentally? Where do I automatically say yes, even when I feel strained? Strength without boundaries becomes depletion. And depletion eventually affects everything. Your clarity, your finances, your relationships, your faith. Here is a stabilizing truth. You are allowed to be strong and still require support. Those two things are not opposites. Even leaders need structure. Even providers need clarity. Even disciplined adults need rest. If you are strong for everyone else, here is one small step this week. Choose one area where you will not overextend. 1. Maybe it's not absorbing someone else's emotional chaos. Not agreeing to extra spending. Not taking on another responsibility. Small boundaries rebuild stability. And stability protects strength. You are not meant to collapse in order to prove you are overwhelmed. You are allowed to adjust before breaking. If you have been the strong one for a long time, this is not a message of weakness. It is a reminder of structure. Strength should be supported by rhythm, not sustained by pressure. And if this resonated, follow for weekly calm and structure. If you need a deeper reset emotionally and financially, start the free 5-day reset in the description. You don't have to stop being strong, but you don't have to carry alone either.